Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, and to this our latest video for the BMW X5. This is the 3-litre diesel X5 M-Sport Auto, first registered 18th of March 2017 on a 17 registration, just the one owner from new, benefiting from a full BMW service history comprising 6 visits, last of which was done December 22 at 88,000 miles. Mileage is a fraction over 96,500 miles. All service lights are green. Please see the photos. MOT is valid through until the 10th of August 2024 with no advisories. Vehicle's just had a brand new set of rear brake pads, rear wiper blade, and the 2 rear air springs were replaced. Great set of run flat tyres, all premium brand, Continentals on 3 corners, 3.4mm, 5.6 and 6.6mm, and a Pirelli on the near side front, again being a run flat at 6.4mm. Car's finished in space grey metallic. It's a Euro 6 diesel engine, so it's compliant with the ultra low emission zones. It features the AdBlue additive. It's the 258 brake horsepower engine. Manufacturer's claimed average MPG of 40.9 to the gallon. As with the exterior of this X5, likewise the interior is in very good condition for the age and mileage. Full black leather interior. This model features a host of factory options, 12 in total, including things like the head-up display, Harman Kardon loudspeaker system, M-Sport Plus package, the panoramic glass sunroof, which is electric with an electric blind also, digital cockpit, sun protection glazing, and seating wise it has the comfort seat, so both front seats are electric, memory, and obviously heated also. Sat nav is standard, front and rear parking sensors with rear parking camera, auto LED headlights, AM FM radio, DAB radio, CD DVD player along with hard drive, auxiliary, USB inputs, and Bluetooth music streaming. This X5 is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. Be supplied with both remote control keys. There's a full set of tailored carpet mats. I'm afraid the parcel shelf is missing. Being run flats, the car also doesn't require a spare wheel. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find full information regarding warranties on offer, customer testimonials, the part exchange page is there, along with interactive finance calculator, giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this video.